Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, what is the smallest 3-digit prime number? The smallest 3-digit number is, as we know that it is 100. But it is divisible by 2 and 4 and so on. Okay. 2, 4 and so on. Hence, this 100 is not a prime number, because prime number has the factors as 1 and that number itself. Okay, is not a prime number. Now consider the next number, 101, as 101 is not divisible by any of prime number means 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Hence, this 101 is smallest 3-digit prime number. So our correct option is option A.